Happy Santa. We're happy to possible. Possible. This is my best time, Bacha. This is another belief that I have acquired. And this is passive income resources, guys. Knowledge. Knowledge is very important. Education is very important. So empower yourself. Learn how the resources, your own resources. And if you need guidance, please call me. Message connect with me. And I'm gonna share with you how I'm doing this. I'm going to share you how I'm achieving my life. I've been there. I have tested it. I have experienced it, how it is in life to have nothing. I have experienced it, how hard it is that sometimes you just so many challenges in life that you do not know how to go through it. Guys, I have learned it. I have experienced the hardest and the saddest time in my life, and becoming self-employed has empowered me to take charge of my life, to take back my time and my decision making. And in our training is amazing. It will teach you a lot to become self-sufficient, to become the employer of yourself, to create resources as your passive source of income. And so connect with me, and I'm hoping I can share with you this amazing global community that helping me to make a change in my life, to make an impact of what I do, and to help other people as well. So sign in on my website and let me share with you the knowledge I've been gaining and teach you how to earn income online, and at the same time teach you how you can become a smart investor and work for yourself.